kids, hi parents, Dan from Ardnashiri here. And you and me are going to go for a walk in the forest. And look what I can do. Oh, I can take my mask off. This is what you do when you go for a walk. Okay, now I'm going to just edit this in the only way that I know how. High five! Well, that was a bit of a stiff climb, but you can get mummy or daddy or someone from home to help you up the hill. Let's go! That was a little bit scary. So remember to help everybody. Ooh, that's good. I'm back again. Okay, now kids and mums and dads, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what's in my bag that you need to take when you're going out for a hike in the woods. Okay, so we're going to see what, I'm going to look in my bag and see what we have. Okay, probably the first thing you want to have at the top of your bag is a waterproof jacket. Okay, it doesn't have to be a fancy one like Patagonia or North Face. It just has to be a waterproof jacket. We have some at school. If you want to go for a work at school, and you come down and get a lend of them. Okay, there's one waterproof jacket, probably the most important thing in your pack. Second is some nice cool, clean water. I'm a bit hot now, so I'm going to have a little drink of water because water is good for you. Oh, that tastes great. So, we have a jacket, and a drink of water. Next one on the list, digging down, is after a nice walk in the woods, a nice snack to keep your energy up, to make you feel good all over. Okay, so having a snack in the forest is really good, and it tastes, the food tastes so much better. So there's a snack. Next one would be a scarf. Because when you stop walking, you might get a little bit cold. And a hat. My hair has gone grey overnight. Okay. Next thing, if it gets cold or starts raining, a pair of gloves. They don't have to be fancy, just 2 pairs of gloves. Also, if you're in a chair out in the woods, you might want to take a poncho to put on your wheelchair, okay? Next up, and the most important thing, is, I call them lockdown bags. And we are not sponsored by ASOS, but this is a great thing to put down on the ground to put your bum on or your bottom on so you don't get a wet seat, okay? Also, you can put all your rubbish in there because we don't want to leave any trace in the forest of all the rubbish, okay? That's always handy to have, the good old plastic bag. And of course, you need a bag to put them in. Mum and Dad can help you, or buy one, or you can use your own school bag, okay? So that's the end of the lesson for the time being. And I hope to see you in the woods. Keep on going, kids.
Look on our Facebook page, you'll get lots of information. Northwest Red School Group.
Oh, we'll put it in a link.
Yeah.
We're putting that on the home learning.
Yeah, very good.
The Facebook page.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a photograph of you and say,
Okay folks, this part of the forest walk is really suitable if you're using a chair. It's not too hard to push, and there's lots of wide open spaces, so you can use your chair at any time. So give it a go, and remember, if you go on a walk, I don't care if it's just outside in the yard, I want you to upload those photographs on Ardenshire Facebook page and tell me what you're doing and tell me what was in your backpack. See you, kids.